In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your web page layout by effectively managing empty blocks and adjusting padding settings. Let's start by addressing those empty blocks that can clutter your page. When you're in the page or section editor, you might come across blank spaces that don't serve any purpose. To clean these up, simply hover over the blank area. You'll notice a small trash can icon appearing. Clicking on this will allow you to easily delete any empty spacer or content blocks, helping to keep your page looking tidy and professional. Next, let's move on to adjusting section padding, which can greatly influence the overall look and feel of your site. To do this, double-click on the section you want to modify. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the Fill Screen option under the Section Settings. By default, this setting can add extra padding around your content, which might not always fit the design you envision. Toggling off this option is a smart way to remove the default padding. By doing so, you gain more control over how the section appears and can tailor it to match your specific layout needs. This step is crucial in ensuring that your content flows naturally and isn't overly spaced out on the page. Finally, let's talk about spacer blocks. These are often used to keep consistent spacing between different elements on your web page. If you find that a spacer block isn't quite fitting your design, you don't have to remove it entirely. Instead, click on the spacer block you wish to adjust. You'll notice a resize handle appear, which you can click and drag to change the block's size. This adjustment can be subtle but has a significant impact on aligning your content and ensuring everything is spaced evenly. Remember, the goal is to create a harmonious layout where each element has enough breathing room yet still appears cohesive. Following these steps will allow you to refine your page layout with precision, resulting in a cleaner, more professional-looking design. As you make these changes, take a moment to step back and review how the entire page appears. Minor adjustments can make a big difference in conveying your message effectively to your audience. I hope these tips help you optimize your website layout easily and make your project stand out. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing how you implement these techniques on your sites.